So don't tell us what you've been doing. Like, what can we help you with? Yeah, what's the question?
The question
it's how can I stop actually doing that?
Going into my head.
Yes.
Okay. Can you breathe into your belly? Good. You're in your heart right now. You cannot breathe into your lower abdomen and stay in your head. It's your breath will overpower your thoughts. If you literally, it might take 30 seconds, might take a minute, might take 3 breaths. Usually it doesn't take long. If you bring your awareness is if you're bringing your awareness to your thoughts, you're in your head, what we call in your head. Bringing your awareness to your thoughts, you're in your head, man or woman. Bringing your awareness to your breath, you are in your breath. Right there, man. You look totally deep and ready to go.
That includes continually bringing your judgment as a kind of awareness to that you have thoughts. Like, oh no, I'm in my head, I'm in my head, I'm in my head. I'm in my head as a repetitive loop. It's just self-judge. That's being in your head. And that's what I hear from you, actually, is that you have a habitual loop of judging yourself for being in your head.
Yes.
And so I had a teacher one time talk about it more from a Zen Buddhist context, but he was talking about, there's like the initial knot of whatever it is. In Buddhism, we call it like ignorance. Just we all have it. And then we can just put knots on top and on top and on top and on top. And you do that with like, oh no, I had a thought. Or I lost connection, oh no. And then you go, oh no, now I'm and you're putting knots and knots and knots. And so just stop and go like, great, to the breath.
Without question, it was what I said.
Just notice versus judge, right?
And then drop, like the part of you that habitually goes to like, I'm in my head. I'm in my head. I'm in my head.
Oh no, I'm in my head.
I did it wrong. Yeah.
I'm in my head so I won't get love. I'm in my head so I won't be accepted. I'm in my head. The reason why you're judging it is because you're going, I'm in my head so I won't get ...
Right.
Fuck that. Just notice. This is the warrior's practice. A warrior's practice is to have meticulous awareness. Just notice, I'm in my head. Let me take a deep breath, drop back into my belly, boom. Now I can feel her. Mm-hmm. It's going to happen it's happened to everybody all the time.
We all get self-centered and self-conscious.
I'm teaching and then I'm going, I'm teaching and I'm like,
how do I look?
Where am I doing my head? Does my fanny pack make my ass look fat?
I know. But
whatever. I mean, I'm thinking something stupid and I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Oh shit. Everybody's like in this thing. Come back. Okay, breathe, ground. I mean, you will never stop that happening. Never.
Never. I mean, literally, I do. I'm like, oh, I made a weird gesture. Now I could spend a lot of time on that I had the thought that I made a weird gesture or that or I could just go like, okay, great. So like, what next?
Yeah.
Or what's the breath? Or put your attention somewhere else.
Right.
So one place is what John gave you, which is breathe into your belly and bring your awareness to your breath. Another place, especially when we're practice, put it on her. Put it in her. Not on her like in the surface way, but like actually put your attention somewhere other than your own.
If you can do both simultaneously, boom, you're back in the game.
Yeah. Like that's
breath in my belly, feeling her heart. Yeah. Breath in my belly, feeling her heart. Boom.
Yeah.
Out of my head, right? And then you'll go back 3 minutes later, okay? There I go. Boom. Okay, that's your practice.